Hello. I just wanted to pop on just for a second, show you a little tip. And I do this often during our daily thing, but you'll be running Thinkorswim. And if you're like me, you don't close it down and you'll notice it gets kind of buggy and it gets kind of slow. And you're like, what in the world? You start switching from one thing to the other and things don't seem to work right. Just want to show you this little tip to speed it up. So on your Thinkorswim desktop platform, you see all these little things above the top. You see one that says help. So if you click on help, it's got three things. Contact us if you need to get in touch with Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade. Then it's got disclosures, but one you may never really look at is this one. It's called system. So you click on system and it kind of shows you the total memory that's being used, how much is used, how much is free, and all of this. So you see this little thing showing, hey, it was really active. Market closes. It's kind of slow now, but the time is still going. So I want you to go over here and left click on collect garbage. Collect garbage, and that kind of takes everything out of the cache. Kind of speeds it up. So I didn't know about this until a couple of years ago. I was on the phone with the Thinkorswim support and they told me about this. I'm like, hey, how cool is that? So remember, it's going to the help tab, go to system, go to collect garbage. There you go. Hope this tip works out. Hope you have a great trading day. Bye-bye.